Hi everyone, we are live at Silicon Slopes. My name is Kristina Ayanian and I'm your host with Nasdaq. I'm here with Nick Cromydas, CEO of Hunt Club. Nick, thanks for being with us here today.
Thanks for having me, Kristina.
Can you tell us a little bit more about Hunt Club and what you do?
Yeah, so Hunt Club's a new category of search firms. So we have thousands of business leaders who sign up, drop their networks in, and refer for your open position. So thinking getting an incredible marketing leader through a network of CMOs.
Your model is incredibly different than traditional models. Tell us more about your expert network.
Yeah. So when you think about the talent or the search industry, everyone always knows that the best talent comes from referrals, better retention, better access and trust. And so we really use a community of business leaders in every market in the country and soon the world to help you find the perfect person for your company. So really it's all about how do I have trust in introductions versus the traditional cold calling and outbound methodologies.
That's amazing. And how did you develop that technology?
Years and years of hard work. So we have an amazing team. And so it was really thinking about the entire search process and where we could innovate in ways that no one else is. So automating who's the right fit, automating the perfect person to introduce them, and scaling it from there.
And you specialize in hiring leadership from top companies in America. How do you do that? What are the challenges that they're facing and how do you help to solve that?
Yeah, so tech unemployment's actually about 2.1% right now as of August. And so there's a really difficult and interesting friction point between the economy and like what's actually happening with these tech companies. And so there's a ton of talent still out there that is getting scooped up by companies fast. And so we really help companies find a totally different DNA profile, those who are builders, which is quite a bit different than exists in a lot of traditional legacy companies out there.
And the work you do with the DNA profiles, how does that differentiate with how you power venture capital and private equity firms versus more traditional operating companies in America?
Yeah, so we think in 5, 10, 15 years, every company is going to be a technology company. COVID pushed digital transformation forward in ways that would have taken decades without it. So really it's a totally different talent pool that exists, and traditional firms don't have access to them or really understand what their needs are, and our model really powers that demographic.
Reid Hoffman and other startup masters say the best companies are blossomed from a recession. What's your take on that?
Totally. It's an amazing time to go start and build. There's talent in the market looking for things. There's talent that can now take risks that traditionally might be more difficult in a frothier market where companies are appreciating like crazy. So we think building in a recession or a potential recession is the best time to do it. And we think tech is here for a long time.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to continue to follow the journey and hope to see you soon.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks.